Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this fish sambal. Come, let's go to the recipe. Today I'm going to fry Spanish mackerel. I bought these frozen. Now I'm going to degut it and clean them. Come, slip through here. Flip open this. Put your finger through the gills. That means the whole gills, right? Pull from the top, and then you just hold this tight, and then you pull. Okay, so this is how you're supposed to clean such type of fish. So I'm going to make the fish sambal. For this I'm going to use chili. This is a type of chili from Mexico. It's a Mexican chili. I'll put in the description what is the name. And usually we use this crinkle chili, but I couldn't find this here. So the most I have with this. And this is about 22 to 23 grams. It's about 20 of this chili, and this is the same weight. Both has the same weight. And I'm going to use yellow onion for this recipe, and I'm going to let you know how much in the description too. I've soaked that chili here in water. Now I'm going to grind this chili with this 4 fresh chili. I realized that the chili that I have it's not spicy, so I'm going to add this red chili, onion, this chili, and 4 cloves and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. And I'm going to add this frozen shallot, about 4 of them, to that half onion that I have. So to the half onion I'm going to add this shallot. So the half onion, this I'm going to grind with that chili. I've decided only to fry the Spanish mackerel, the the tail part of it, on a plain oil, because I'm going to use the same oil for the sambal, but I'm just going to glaze some salt on the fish itself. I'll sprinkle some salt, peanut oil. I fried about 10 minutes. I'm going to pour away some of the oil, but I'm going to use this much of oil. Is about 3 tablespoons. And if I do need more oil, I will pour it over there, because now I'm going to saute the sambal. To this sambal, I did not add any water, so the water is actually from the onion and the soaked chili, dry chili, and I think the fresh chili too. Okay, let's so saute this in a very low heat, low heat, not very low, but low heat, because you have to be careful with the sambal splatter. So you have to saute until the oil breaks. This tamarind juice, from 10 grams of tamarind, I squeeze from, I weigh the tamarind without seed. Another suggestion, if you don't have tamarind, you may use lemon juice to substitute the tamarind. Use lemon juice, because we need to have the sour taste a little to enhance the flavor. You got to add in some brown sugar or coconut sugar, gula melaka, or plain sugar, either one. So I'm going to put in about half a teaspoon, maybe about 1 teaspoon. So this is up to your taste. So as you are sauteing, taste and see, then add them. So always keep an eye on the heat. After I realized that I had some problem getting the dry chili that I use back home. So now I realize that I can use the normal chili here, not the spicy one, the normal, dry chili, and I can add in fresh chili. That helps to enhance the flavor. I can get them frozen, so looks like that's a better choice for me. The salt is not enough. I'm going to add another half teaspoon. Sorry, earlier was quarter teaspoon, so I'm getting another quarter. So now it's total of half teaspoon. I will put this in the description. So even the salt depends on what kind of salt you are using. So that also you have to adjust yourself. Don't follow as what stated in recipes, because certain salt has certain kind of level of saltiness. And the same goes to the chili. So this kind of sambal is best to do with a dry chili or fresh chili, a combination of dry chili and fresh chili. If you use chili powder, you have to adjust so much. So try and use with chili. So if you can't get the chili that you like, so try to work with what you have. So my solution for me living in New England, I buy the chili, which is a milder version, and then I'll add the frozen chili that I can get in Asian shop. You may use chili padi, but instead of using that chili, you can add chili padi to this also. So maybe another recipe I'll use that. And this gives me nice color. So I'm going to stick with this chili. So you see, this is how it should be. Alright. So this will show you that it's done. You can see the oil separating. So my cooking, I don't use much oil, so this is how it should be. So for now, I'm going to put in the fish. My recording has stopped, sorry. So what I did was, I didn't put any water, so I just dropped in my fish and I sauteed them this way. So my stove is off at this moment. So after the last stage, I had to check back and see where I stopped. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to be. So no water was added the last stage, as I thought I wanted to, but no. But if you think this is too thick, you may add in hot water, boil hot water and dilute this. At this stage would be fine too. Just a suggestion, it's up to you. So we like to have it this way. This is the other version. I pour in some hot water. I boil the water, then I pour, and now I saute them. So couldn't get the recording on. So it's the same ingredient, same. So the only thing that I increased on this was, I realized that my chili, I need to put in more sugar. So I tested and then I put in more sugar. So I increased the salt, and I increased a little bit of sugar. This is the sambal with slightly more gravy. So you may try this way too. Try, let me know in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I shall see you on my next upload. Bye.